Sometimes we want to combine totally different things, and what seemed to be pure nonsense turns out to be a great idea. How to eat a cake and have it get an unpredictable effect? Watch it in our video. You can look at the sea forever. Your eyes have a rest, and the sound of waves calms you down. Make special headphones if you want to listen to the sound of the sea at any time. Take 2 seashells of the appropriate size. We have conch shells that we have found on the coast. Color them with blue acrylic paint. Wrap up a metal headband with decorative tape. Hot glue the shells to the ends of the headband. Add yellow spots in a spiral pattern. Now, these funny shells will remind you of a bright blue sky and the hot sun, even on a cold winter day. My friend dances to the lively music in her headphones, and I meditate to the sound of the sea. I listen to the magical sound and dream about summer. What is this jumping girl with a butterfly net doing? Is she catching butterflies? In the middle of winter? There is no snow, but it doesn't mean that it is summer. Oh, I see! It's a selfie stick! We will need wire and pliers. Make a ring out of the wire. Twist the ends together using the pliers. Make 2 triangles out of tulle and sew them together across 2 sides. Turn them out through the side which is not sewn. Wrap up the unsewn edges around the wire. Attach a wide ribbon. Hot glue. Fold and press the ribbon so that it fastens the tulle around the wire. Wrap the ribbon around the twisted end of the wire. Fasten it with hot glue. Attach the butterfly net to the selfie stick using double-sided tape. Secure it with painter's tape and wrap it with decorative tape for embellishment and better attachment. I put my phone into the monopod and take a selfie. It is hard not to smile when you look at this funny selfie stick, and the selfies you get are the most amazing. If you didn't manage to catch butterflies, you can use your selfie stick as a weather vane, and you will always know where the wind blows. I love beauty too, so I've made a unique organizer for my jewelry collection. Bend a color paper clip so that it looks like a clothes hanger. Cut off the excess. Fix up the shape. Make as many mini hangers as you need. Take big clothes hangers and hang the colorful baby ones on it. I hang my jewelry on the practical and funny mini hangers. It's a great and unusual organizer. The only thing I need is to find where to hang it. There you go! I'm drinking my tea, and here comes my active friend and puts her apple slices onto my cookie plate. She wants to take up painting. She turns over her plate and uses it as a palette. Turn over the plate. Attach colorful plastic bottle caps to the bottom of the plate. Arrange them in such a way that the plate stays steady and doesn't tilt. The young artist successfully manages to mix paint colors on her DIY palette. I have a fork brush to match her plate palette. Have you broken a brush? It's not a problem. Let's combine it with a fork. Flatten the metallic part of the brush in such a way that you can put it on the fork handle. Put the brush on the fork handle and press it with pliers. Wrap it with decorative tape. Cover the entire fork handle. I can pick up my apple with the fork side and paint with the brush side. But it is better to give the fork brush to my friend so that she'll take the paint from her plate palette. Meanwhile, I can finish drinking my tea. My friend and I are drinking tea. Oops! It seems I've spilled it a little. A paper towel is just what I need. But it looks like this young stargazer wants to use it as a telescope. What's so interesting about it? My friend is ready to blow on me to make the stain dry so that she won't part with her new toy. What's inside of it? Let's turn a regular paper towel roll into a marvelous kaleidoscope. Trace the inside circle of a paper towel roll. Fit an equilateral triangle into it. Cut out the circle. Measure the length of the triangle side. Make it on cardboard 3 times. This will be the length of the stripes we will need. Now, we should measure the width of the roll, make it ½ an inch smaller, and put it on the cardboard. This will be the length of the stripes. Draw 3 equal stripes one after another according to the measurements. Cut out 3 stripes together. Do not cut them apart. Attach them to foil. Cut off the excess, and now we can cut them apart. Fasten them with thin tape on the cardboard side. Fold the stripes to shape a prism so that the foil is inside. Tape the last edge. Wrap it with the tape so that the prism doesn't fall apart. Put it inside the paper towel roll. It is even from one side. From the other side, our prism will be ½ an inch lower than the level of the roll. Make some more circles tracing the template of our paper circle. Cut out 3 plastic circles. Add another one from parchment paper. Make one more from colored cardboard. Fill the kaleidoscope with colorful stars. Tuck the transparent circle until it stops where the prism level is lower. The circle should fit tightly so that there are no gaps. Pour out sparkles and small sequins or beads on the top. Hot glue the second plastic circle to the edge of the cardboard roll. Cover the top with the parchment paper screen. Turn over the roll. Close the hole with another plastic circle. Punch a hole in the center of the color cardboard circle. Hot glue the cardboard circle over the transparent one. Here we go! There is no one around. I can quickly check what's inside of this thing that looks like a paper towel roll. I should just unroll it until the very end. The answer is out there. I did unroll it till the end, but there is no answer inside. How does this kaleidoscope work? It is still a mystery to me. Oops! The owner of the kaleidoscope won't like the sight of her favorite toy broken. It's time to run away. Let her run around in a paper towel coat. This will be a teachable lesson for her, and she won't damage other people's stuff ever again. And my kaleidoscope is safe and sound. I need to calm down after such a huge stress. A handy massager is just what I need. Moreover, it is as easy as ABC to make. We will need an old lint roller. Wrap it with decorative tape. Now we can add dots with hot glue with equal intervals between them. Cover the entire surface. This tool relaxes and gently massages and calms you down. Down. You might as well fall asleep. It's time to cheer up my calm friend. And I have a perfect thing for it. A music box with candies inside. It's a combination of a banjo, a candy box, and a nail file. Take a metal candy box. Paint it using different nail polish colors, so attach a strip of painter's tape to the lid. Paint it with green nail polish from one side and blue from the other. Take the tape off once the polish is dry. Now attach thin stripes to the painted areas. Cover the remaining area with pink nail polish. Fit a nail file. Trace the edge of the lid with a marker. Cut off the excess. Attach the file to the lid. This is the neck of our mini banjo. Pull on colorful rubber bands in the center. These are the strings. The banjo lid fails to impress my friend. The candy box is more interesting to her. I like to file my nails and play on colorful rubber band strings. This is so funny and so unusual. I want a new hairdo. How can I get colorful strands without going to a hair salon? One hairbrush is enough. We will need a Tangle Teezer brush. Dampen the flat side of the brush. Spread out some broken eyeshadow. Tamp it down, putting your finger into the water from time to time. Spread out a different color. Tamp it in the same way. Add some shimmer eyeshadow to it. Clean the sides carefully with a Q-tip. Assemble the brush. Clench a strand of your hair between the sides of the brush. Comb it a couple of times, and voila! It's a smart homemade hair color hack. My friend likes it. She eagerly changes her regular hairbrush for my dry hair coloring tool. Did you like our unusual life hacks? Write in your comments what you will choose to get an amazing effect and amuse your friends. Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Ting-a-ling means that a new video is waiting for you on the Troom channel.